Alright, y'all. So we got another POV drive. I don't even know what part this is. This is probably like, I don't know actually. But we're about to be on the way to the gym. So there's that. Archie Don is with me, but he just left ahead of me. So I may or may not catch up to him depending on how slow these people in front of me keep driving. They keep driving slow as shit. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna catch up to him because this right here, oh, actually, you about to see. Oh, yeah, no, I'm good. I'll turn the air on. It's a little too hot outside. It's about, oh yeah. Why is that air so hot? I don't know if I'm gonna make this. Is that a cop up there? Or is that him? Yeah, he's trolling. This nigga trying to stay with me. I could shoot past him. I'm gonna chill out though. Yeah, I just got off work, man. Had a nice little day at work. It was a short day. Not too much really been going on. I've been still trying to get this situated for the exhaust. See when I'm get that done. Hopefully it's Thursday. Let me tell y'all something, 'cause I just noticed something. So apparently they put in an exhaust for, well, they put in work. So I did a quote, right? They put in work for a 430i. So I don't know if the 430i's have two mufflers, but that's what they put in work for. So, they didn't give me technically a real quote for my car because I have a 440. So yeah, I gotta see about that because it wasn't the right, car. But I don't know though, because he went under the car and took pictures of it. So even if he took pictures, even if he put the wrong car in the system, it should still be the right amount of labor, if that makes sense. So I mean, I don't know. But one place did definitely give me better rate than the other one, so. Somebody still behind me. Bro, why is she driving like this, bro? Drive faster. I'm about to go hit these weights, man. About to be at the gym. Why is he fake? Like, bro. He's in that big, I don't know if y'all saw him, but he's in that big truck going 80 something in the right lane. Why? If you don't like watch out, what is going on right here? I don't know what's going on, I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully this angle is better though, y'all. I'm trying to, you know, work on my angles, get them right. Hey bro, if you don't go, the person in the opposite lane, I can't even see because this big truck is in my way. I legit can't see. Don't care, I'm not going nowhere. Low key, I'm about to drop my windows because it'd be cops right here sometimes. My waves is not up, so I don't know. Let me get my waves up. I don't see him though, so we should be fine. My waves still says I'm at. Oh, wait, can you update, bro? OP. and Waze on your phone. Y'all see this, right? And the thing is, the phone that has Waze open, I didn't turn it off. And when I got in the car from being at work, because my other phone stays in the car. So when I got in the car from being at work, what was I about to say? Oh, yeah, but it automatically connected as soon as I turned the car on. Is that cool? That could be him. That's Charger headlights. I don't know, we better see though. Is that? Can't tell. I think he's coming to the gym. I don't know, but I think he is. So loud. What's going on right here? Right here. So y'all, imagine that with the resin muffed elite. It's gonna sound so loud, so nice. And this gym is packed per usual. It's like, no, this is not packed. This is like chill. All right, y'all, just pulled up at the gym. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get out. Let me roll the window down. You probably not gonna be able to hear it because he right here. I'm gonna show y'all some noise later on, man. All right, y'all, so about to do our first fill. Am I scared? Yes. Am I scared? Very. I don't know how much this is about to cost. Now we wait. Alright, so in the store, man. One of these. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around. So, oh my lord, do you see this? Y'all hear that beep? I'm not gonna show you the price yet. It's not actually not that bad. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But look at it. Look at it in all its beauty. Now just imagine front lip, noise, spoiler, diffuser. Man, we gonna get there. But that's how much we clocked in. 50 not that bad. And we got RC9 over there. But it's not that bad. I can do this. So you got a 440i Xdrive. I was about 50-ish. No, I was probably like 60, like 58, 60 miles left. That's how much it cost me, 93. Not that bad. All right, y'all, so as y'all just seen, left the gas station, didn't feel like recording on the way home. But when y'all see this, the exhaust has been done. So, exhaust video will be dropping soon. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Catch y'all next video.